How to use your pTron Tangent Plus wireless neckband. Power on and pairing. Power on the neckband by pressing the MFB until blue and red LED light blinks alternatively. Long press MFB until blue and red LED light blinks alternatively to enter pairing mode. Open Bluetooth function on your device and search for the available Bluetooth devices. Click on pTron PT to connect. Note, MFB stands for multifunction button. Smart power off. Press MFB until red LED light blinks and turn off. Bluetooth connectivity. Automatic. Just turn on the wireless neckband, it will automatically connect to the last connected device. Instant voice assistant activation. Long press MFB for 2 seconds to awake your phone's voice assistant. Call and music functions. Answer, hang up a phone call, press MFB once. Reject a phone call, press MFB for 2 seconds. Music play, pause, press MFB once. Next song, long press minus button. Previous song, long press plus button. Volume up, press plus button. Volume down, press minus button. Redial, press MFB twice in standby mode. Charging the neckband. Turn off the neckband before charging. Connect the Type-C end of the charging cable to the neckband. Connect the USB end of the charging cable to a power source such as USB charger or other charging devices of 5-watt output. Red LED light will be steady during charge. Once the neckband is fully charged, red LED indicator will turn off. Unplug both the ends of the charging cable. Troubleshooting. Scenario: connectivity issue. Turn off the neckband and charge 100%. Unpair with the connected Bluetooth device. Restart the Bluetooth device. After 100% charging, turn on the neckband and pair it with the Bluetooth device again.